Hi, it's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking to cover up gray or brassy hair? One thing that's really helped me is this hair dye shampoo. It's by SHIHUANUO. They're dark brown, 3-in-1 for gray hair. I like that it comes with the hair color shampoo in this bottle. They also give you a packet of conditioner and the accessories to make application easy. And my hair feels shiny, vibrant, and beautiful 3+ weeks after using this product. Plus, I can go back to it and get several more uses from this huge bottle. It's simple and easy to use. Just pump it into the palms of your hands, apply it to dry hair, leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. The longer you leave it, the stronger the color will be. For me, it really came out so nicely, but be sure to rinse it out very thoroughly until the water runs clear. I really like that. It lasts very long. It did cover up my grays. The smell is incredible. It's a floral scent and it's not irritating to my skin, but you should do a dry patch test. And because it comes with this really easy to use bottle, it's simple and easy to do. This has helped given me the confidence and it's very affordable to keep my hair the color that I want it. I may be aging, but my hair does not need to, especially with this. I love it, but that's just my point of view.